Blackstone Ultimate Fan here with Justin Rain. Do you think Blackstone accurately portrays life on a reserve?
Yes, I do, very much so. I guess it's the most of both worlds. There's a lot of bad things that happen on reserves, a lot of corruption, but there's also a lot of good things. There's role models in Blackstone. There's like Leona Stoney. Alan and Sheila are role models for sure for the younger audiences to look up to. And so yeah, I know that there's going to be a lot of controversy with Blackstone because of that. People are going to be offended, but I mean, people are always offended. Always. There's an equal amount of both. There's positive and negative in everything, and Blackstone is that. It's not just stereotyped to the negative things that happen on reserve life. There's also the positive view story that's being portrayed as well. So